So now students, we are going to begin with the next topic of our syllabus, that is adverbs. Adverbs, the word itself can be broken into two parts to understand its meanings, that is adverbs. So it is an additional verb, it is an extra word which is added to verb. Verbs are action words, right? So the extra word which has been added to the verb to make it more interesting, to make it more describing, is called as adverb. You can see the definition. An adverb is a word that describes verb, an adjective, or another adverb. It tells us how often, when, and where. So adverbs basically it answers the question as in how much, how many, how often, when, where. For example, if you take a word, if you take a verb as jump, so adverb will be quickly. So quickly jump. Quickly is an adverb which has been telling you about how the person is jumping. He is jumping quickly. So quickly is an adverb. An adverb describes how a verb was done. For example, the chef cooked. Cooking is an verb, right? So extra word which is added to the word cooked is happily, right? The chef cooked happily. How often the verb happened? The chef cooked daily. How many times is he doing it? He is doing it daily. Where a verb happened? The chef cooked outside, inside. So these are both the adverbs. The chef cooked yesterday. When it has happened? Yesterday, day before yesterday. It is going to happen day after tomorrow, tomorrow. So these are all the adverbs. So adverbs is an extra word which has been added to the verb, adjective, or adverb to make it more interesting, and it answers the question how it is done, when it has happened, where it is done, and when it has happened. So these questions are answered by an adverb. So adverb is a verb. Remember, adverb is a word that is an extra word added to verb to make it more interesting, to make it more meaningful. So now let's see some examples of adverbs. An adverb answers the question as how. How is the work done? Easily, happily, loudly, quickly, quietly, reluctantly, sadly, silently, slowly. How often? How many times is it done? How? How often are you doing it? How often do you go to school? Always, every day, frequently, never, seen, once, often, seldom, sometimes, twice. When? When do you go to school? After, already, before, early, now, since, soon, today, yesterday. And where do you go? Where is your school? Is it near or far? Away, everywhere, here, home, inside, near, outside, southward, northward, eastward, there. These are all the adverbs. So now I hope you have understood clearly what the examples of adverbs are and what are adverbs. These are the extra words added to verb, adjective, or adverb to make it more interesting and meaningful. And an adverb answers the question as in how often, when, and where. Now there are 6 types of adverbs. First type of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time tells you about already, ago, before, yet, yesterday, soon, lately. For example, I have heard this before. I have not seen him since how many days? I haven't spoken to her yet. She'll be here soon. Adverb of frequency tells you what is the quality, how much is it? For example, always, she comes here always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once. It's always cold in room. I normally go to the gym. They often go to dinner. So these are all the adverb of frequency. How many times? Frequently, how many times does it happen? Adverb of place. Here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backwards, upwards, inwards. These are all the adverb of place. Adverb of manners. So, slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly. These are all qualities. These are all manners. For example, is that us? She dresses beautifully. The soldier fought bravely. Adverb of degree. Almost, fully, rather, quite, to, enough, perfectly. So means the adverb of degree basically tells you how it is done. I am fully prepared. I'm rather busy. She is almost 30. They are perfectly suited. Now is the last type of adverb, that is adverb of affirmation. Certainly, surely, apparently, obviously. Surely you are mistaken. Apparently, it's going to be raining today. The design certainly looks good on the paper. So, these are all the types of adverbs. Adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and adverb of affirmation. Apart from this adverb, there are adverb forms also. Simple adverbs are, these are the adverbs made up of single word. For example, now, then, here, there, yet, still, again, soon, to, up, just. Compound adverbs are two words which are joined together. For example, therefore, sometimes, meanwhile, nowhere, otherwise, notwithstanding, etc. Third form of adverb is derived adverbs. These are the adverbs formed from adjectives. These always end in ly. For example, so remember that simple form of adverb is simple words, single words. Compound words are two different words which are joined together. And derived means they end with ly. Fairly, entirely, lazily, beautifully, unfortunately, luckily, merrily, politically. Okay?